for the lady dinosaur going up and away.
That's right, the bird is the word right here. Can a dino-rific event happen right here?
Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is the bird.
Get your tail feathers over here to Donald's Dino Badge and see for yourself why.
Looks like our little dinosaurs are landing. So please stay seated. When they come to a complete stop, make sure you have all your belongings and then walk to the exit gate. Bye-bye.
Hi, Brantley here. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.